The Kittyhok Solar Security Camera offers exceptional video quality with its advanced color night vision technology, ensuring detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Powered by solar energy, this camera system provides uninterrupted surveillance with as little as 3 hours of direct sunlight each day, making it highly efficient and eco-friendly. Equipped with a 10-channel smart NVR and a 10-inch high-definition screen, the system supports local storage without additional costs, allowing for the addition of up to 6 more cameras. The camera's pan and tilt feature offers a full 360-degree view, enabling users to monitor their surroundings comprehensively through the Kittyhok app. With active deterrence, the camera's 600-lumen spotlight activates upon detecting motion, enhancing security by illuminating potential intruders. Smart notifications ensure you only receive alerts for significant events, as the system can differentiate between human and vehicle movements, reducing false alarms.